So I recently asked a girl out on a date. The only problem is that I had previously been with one of her friends. So as a result, this situation is a little bit complicated and I wasn't 100% sure if she was actually gonna show up on the date. So I decided to do something totally normal and chill. I built an AI model to actually predict the odds that she shows up. So whenever you ask someone on a date, there's three things that can happen. They show up, the date gets rescheduled to another time, or they cancel and you never hear from them again. So I hate uncertainty, so I needed to mathematically model it. The one issue was, since I had previously been with her friend, this adds a level of complication and uncertainty to the model. Her decisions aren't random. As we text, the outcome changes. As a result, this is a dynamical system. So I decided to model it chaining an LLM with a hidden Markov model to predict the odds that she would show up. I built a system that can go over our conversation, updates in real time, and scores engagement, interest, and if solid plans have been made. By taking in all of those scores, it outputs a number in between 0 and 1, and that number goes on to determine if our conversation has been made. By taking in all of those scores, it outputs a number in between 0 and 1, and that number goes on to determine if our conversation is cold, warm, or hot. After all of that, I put our conversations through the model. This is the scores that the model gave on how engaged the conversation was, and these are the odds that the model gave about how likely this date was to actually happen.
Each message hits the network, lighting connections like a brain cell firing. In real time, the system measures enthusiasm, engagement, and the chances this conversation turns into action. The
first thing I track is an interest score. It lives between 0 and 1, and right now it's a 0.7. Alone, that's just a number. So I run it through a hidden state model with 3 moods, cold, warm, and hot. Each state has its own odds of leading to one of 3 outcomes. That's pretty good.
Now, obviously, this is kind of insane behavior. You shouldn't need to use machine learning to determine whether somebody likes you. But the model did actually predict the correct outcome, which is kind of insane to me, and it kind of means one of two things. Either I'm insanely good at machine learning, or my dating life is just really predictable. Human relationships are chaotic, but they follow repetitive patterns. Engagement builds, signals accumulate, and probabilities update. So realistically, is this the foundation of a healthy relationship? Probably not. Am I gonna do it again? Absolutely.